Hey mate, this is my Methods Year 12 Weebly page. Looks pretty similar to the Year 11 one that I've shared with you before. So on the home page, I've got like the study design. I've got some like TI student resources, bound reference guidelines, and then this link here is to like another guy's methods videos that doesn't work anymore, so I'll delete that. And then you've got like a 2019 outline. I'll update that so that's a 2021. You've got chapter question outline. Now the issue that we might have is that this is linked to the old text, so that's cool for chapter 1, because what I've got is a chapter 1 PDF. So if you just click on chapter 1, there's a PDF here. There's some video tutorials and stuff. So I've just got the PDF there just in case, like there's probably a pretty good chance that kids don't have the textbook yet. So they can use that PDF. If I get time, I'll update like this stuff for the new text, and then obviously this will be updated for the new text as well. But if I don't get time to do it, then it's all there anyway. So I guess just go with whatever's there. And what I did this year is I just had tests, or the chapter tests at the start of next year on chapter 1. There's some videos on here that the kids can access at home if they're having a bit of trouble with any of the sections of the chapter. These videos are videos that I've made using Educreations, just like of specific questions that kids have emailed me with over the last couple of years. That I just made a video to show them, and then I just uploaded it here, or uploaded it to Educreations, and then they can access it there. So they can just click there, and then there's, if they're having trouble with question 5, they can see my solution to that. So yeah, that's probably all you need to worry about. Maybe just explain to the kids. So there's the revision there as well, so I asked them to do the review. And then there's a link there for the review solutions. There's a link to Jack Glass if they want to do some study on stuff. And then these are questions from the 2016 exam that they can do. There's a solution to each of those. I get the kids to do these as part of their hurdle tasks. So as part of chapter 1, they'll need to do those questions. And like I said, if I get time, which I probably won't, I'll update all of this stuff for the new text. But yeah, for now, that'll kind of do the trick. That's probably all you really need to know. If you have any questions or whatever, just let me know, and yeah, I can help you out. Cool.